Dear students, now we are going to discuss demultiplexer and its types, applications in detail. Demultiplexer is also known as one-into-many logic circuit, that is 1:2 power n logic circuit. There is only one input line but many output lines are available. It is defined as a combinational logic circuit that receives information on a single input line and transmits the same information on one of the 2 power n possible output lines. Hence, it is called as 1:2 power n logic circuit. Only one input line is there, but we can transmit the same information on one of the 2 power n possible output lines. So this is the general diagram of the DEMUX circuit. So here this is the DEMUX. It is represented as 1:2 power n logic circuit. There is only one input line, but there are 2 power n possible output lines. Here n represents the number of selection lines which will select the desired output combination. Okay. So this is the logic circuit of DEMUX. The DEMUX logic circuit consists of a single input line, n number of selection lines and 2 power n output lines. The selection of the specific output line is controlled by the selection lines. So based on the combination of selection lines, we can choose the specific output line out of 2 power n possible outputs. Okay. As the serial data is converted to parallel data, this DEMUX is also called as serial to parallel converter. It is also called as data distributor because here we are going to give data in a single line as serial data transmission. So that will be converted into parallel data transmission. So here it is referred as serial to parallel data converter, or we can say data distributor among 2 power n possible output lines. Okay. There are different types of demultiplexers available. 1:4 DEMUX, 1:8 DEMUX, 1:16 DEMUX. It's going on like that. Let's see one by one. So 1:4 demultiplexer. So here it has single input line with data D in. So D suffix in represents the input data and 4 output lines. It is represented as Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0 and 2 selection lines. So 1:4 means we can write this as 1:2 power 2. So 1:2 power 2 means here this will decide the number of selection lines. So here we are having 2 selection lines as S1 and S0. So this is the logic diagram of 1:4 DEMUX. So here we are having only one input line. Then there are 2 selection lines, 4 possible output lines. The input data is directed to only one of the 4 output lines based on this selection lines. Let's see the operation of this DEMUX using this truth table. So here this is the truth table of 1:4 demultiplexer. This is the actual input to this DEMUX. Here we can have one more signal that is called as enable. Okay, this enable should be always high to operate this DEMUX. Okay, so this is the enable input line. Okay, so here apart from this enable, we are having the data input and 2 selection lines. These 3 are the inputs to this DEMUX. So consider this input as D in. This is common for all the combinations. Then selection lines. So based on the combination of the selection lines, we can decide the specific output for the incoming signal. So first one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For this combination 0, 0, the DEMUX will select the Y0 output line if the selection lines are 0, 1. Okay. So for this combination, the DEMUX selects the Y1 as the output line. So in that line alone, we are going to transmit the input data. Okay. So for the combination of 1, 0, the DEMUX will select the third output line, that is Y2. So likewise, for this combination 1, 1, the DEMUX will select the Y3 output line to transmit the data. So this is the truth table for this demultiplexer. Next, we are going to find out the Boolean expression for each output values. Okay, so this is the Boolean expression of each output value. Here, Y naught can be obtained. So, whenever both S1 and S0 are low. Okay, so whenever S1 and S0 both are low, then Y naught is selected. So, we can say Y naught is equal to S1 bar, S0 bar, and then the input is must here, right? So, we can write the input as such. So, Y1 can be obtained by making this S1 as 0, S0 as 1. So, we can say Y1 is equal to S1 bar, S0 and input data. Y3 is equal to S1. Here 1, 0 means S1, S0 bar DIN, that is input data. Similarly, Y3 is equal to S1, S0. Both are 1, right? So, S1, S0 and then input data. Do you all understand this? So, these four are the Boolean expressions of the output signals. For these expressions, we are going to draw the logic circuit. This is the logic diagram of 1:4 DEMUX. Here we can have the input data as such and then two selection lines S1, S0 and its inverted form. For that we are using NOT gate. S1 bar, S0 bar. Okay. So next we are going to obtain the output signals by using this AND gate. So Y0 is equal to what? S1 bar, S0 bar, DIN. So we can get the signals like this S1 bar, S0 bar and then DIN. These three are the input to this AND gate to obtain Y0. Similarly, Y1 is equal to S1 bar, S0 and then input data. Y2 is equal to S1, S0 bar and input data. Finally, Y3 is equal to S1, S0 and input data. So, this is the logic diagram of 1:4 DEMUX. Demultiplexers can be used as a data distributor and also as a decoder. So, it is widely used in time division multiplexing at the receiver side as a data separator. Okay, so wherever we want to distribute the data from a single line, we can use this DEMUX circuit. Okay.